Here are 4 tips for staying in the present moment, otherwise known as practicing mindfulness. Hi, I'm Brooke, a former school teacher and librarian turned yoga and mindfulness advocate for humans of all ages. Looking for more free resources on mindfulness? Check out the links below this video. And be sure to subscribe and like for all things Yogi Squad mindfulness. Mindfulness is scientifically proven to have a positive influence on your mental health. Mindfulness studies have proven over and over again how this practice can improve your health and well being by helping you become more aware of the present moment. We know that it helps reduce stress and anxiety. It can help us cope with intense, difficult emotions. And practicing can be easy. We don't have to make it very difficult or look a certain way. Get out of your head. You don't need a fancy cushion. You don't need to sit in a totally quiet place and not move a single muscle. You don't even need to sit in any particular place. And you don't need to practice for any certain amount of time to make it work. What you do need to do is be consistent. Practice makes perfect. Whoa. No, practice makes progress. Get perfect out of your head too, because perfection is a myth of your own creation. It doesn't really exist. It's what we do every single day that adds up to our progress. And making progress is how we reach and exceed our goals. Practicing mindfulness can help you become more aware of your reactions to the situations around you and can also help you make healthier choices for yourself. Mindfulness teaches us to be where we are in the present moment and to get out of our own heads. I didn't really understand this concept when I first started practicing meditation and mindfulness. It was like I was waiting for something magical to happen all the time. And after lots of practice and consistency, something magical did finally happen. I learned how to clear my mind, letting all the weight of my thoughts fall aside and just giving my mind a little time to like free float. I liked to think of it as giving my mind a little nap, then allowing her to wake up naturally in a soft, cozy bed. No rush, no pressure to rise, just allowing her to enjoy every moment. When you practice mindfulness, not only do you better recognize all of the abundance in your own life, but you project yourself on a more positive path. You'll make better choices and decisions for yourself because you aren't allowing anyone or anything to influence your own value. Your body will actually talk to you. Your body will naturally give you signs and signals as to what it needs. You just have to be listening and paying attention to receive them. So, here are 4 tips for practicing mindfulness and staying in the present moment. Number 1, take a few deep breaths. Did you know the average human takes 22,000 breaths a day? That's a lot of breathing. How many of those breaths do we actually pay attention to? Probably not very many. After all, we are very busy people. We lead very busy lives and handle lots of things in the day-to-day swing of life. Who has time to stop and breathe? Here's the little kicker that took me way too long to figure out for myself. Giving yourself a break to take a few deep breaths throughout your day will allow you to return to whatever your activity is more focused, efficient, and aware of the present moment. Number 2, Ground yourself using your five senses. Pay attention to what you see, hear, smell, and feel in the present moment. Notice all of the little details that surround you. Take your shoes off and feel the grassy earth or the cold concrete beneath you. These things sound silly to us because they're so easy and simple, but it's these basic and simplistic practices that actually work to get us out of our heads and back into our bodies so that we feel more connected and make more positive choices for ourselves. Try focusing on the environment that you're in anytime you need to feel a little more grounded yourself. Number 3, practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a form of meditation that encourages us to be aware of our own thoughts and feelings without judgment. When practiced regularly, it becomes much easier for us to stay in the present moment more often. Mindfulness is really about letting whatever you do become your single point of focus. Whether that's meditating, playing with your kids, or even washing the dishes. When you are mindful of your actions and when you purposely don't think about things that happened before or things that will happen after whatever it is you're doing, you are practicing staying in the present moment. You are being mindful and practicing mindfulness. There are tons of exercises that you can do to practice mindfulness, but they all lead to the same result. You becoming more aware and more involved in whatever is happening right here and now in your life. Enjoying the journey. It's not as easy as you think. It takes practice, 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 and more practice. But the more we practice, the easier it becomes. And before you know it, it actually will start to happen more naturally without you even practicing at all. Number 4, and most important, take care of yourself. Self-care can be ridiculously hard when you are the manager of little people. But it's very important for us to maintain a positive health and well-being for our kids. Self-care looks different for everybody, but generally speaking, anything you do that provides enjoyment and relaxation for yourself can be considered self-care. Something you enjoy, like reading a book, taking a yoga class, or taking a walk. Any of these activities that you enjoy and you find relaxing can help reduce your stress. Additionally, it's important for us to take time to connect with others, with our family, with our friends, and our support systems. Make sure that you're getting enough rest and nourishment as part of your self-care. This means actually getting a full 8 hours of sleep at night. Yes, you do need it. And also making sure you're getting enough energy into your body with healthy foods and nutrition throughout the day. Self-care is an essential part of being your best and being able to give your best to your loved ones and all of your daily responsibilities. Most importantly, self-care will help you live your best life because when your essential needs are being met, you're able to make more positive choices and changes in your life. Got a minute? You can start practicing mindfulness and staying in the present moment right now. Check out all of the mindfulness and meditation resources found throughout Yogi Squad's YouTube channel. You can seriously practice an exercise in just a minute. You can do it. I'm rooting for you. Thanks for watching. I'm so glad you're here. Let's start a mindfulness movement together.